Hi, I'm Ruth Ostroff, Sacramento County Master Gardener. Welcome to How To H2O. Today I'm at Green Acres in Citrus Heights, and I'm going to give you some tips on how to start your own herb garden. First, you'll want to decide whether to plant in the ground or in a pot. If in a pot, choose a large, light-colored pot and some good potting soil. Now, if you decide to plant in the ground, you can enrich your soil with compost or other soil amendments. Some plants work well in your landscape. You might have never thought of planting thyme along the border of your landscape. Smells beautiful, lovely. You can plant a trailing rosemary, could go along the edge and come over the bank of a rock wall. This is lemongrass, which clumps out. It doesn't send out runners. Parsley is very easy to grow. It grows for 2 years. Winter savory makes a really great, rounded, beautiful plant. There are other plants that you might want to have interspersed in your vegetable garden. Have you ever grown stevia? Tastes very sweet, very much like sugar. Then there's the sorrels, nice in salads. Let's talk about mints for a moment. You'll want to plant this in a pot because if you don't, it will take over your yard. These are just a few of the tips for growing herbs. You'll need to figure out what works best for you and your family. For more information about growing an herb garden, visit the Sacramento County Master Gardener's website. Thank you for watching How To H2O.